Are these at, what are they, half ampere? Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Hey, what's going on, man? Oh, this is nice. I like it.
2 to 1/4.
2 to 1/4 order? Okay.
8 SCAR VXF 12s and 4 Unreal 3600s on a 120 amp hour big cell lithium.
Okay.
Basically, we just got done building it this last week. We built it in less than 2 weeks.
Okay.
Jessie,
just to get ready for the show.
do Xlr first.
Nice.
I'll give them 2. I'll give them the
Do you know your tuning on it? The port around?
Around 32, we were doing a
156.6.
Okay. Nice.
Where is it?
Is a 1 or 2 alt? What's your alternator?
One 370.
Okay.
Which it hates life, but we're not gonna talk about it.
Hey, it works, man. Really nice job, and you just finished it up. Not even downloading the port yet.
Nope. We're actually gonna go in, rip out the front plate, and then redo the port.
I just did a sentence.
What was your name?
Jessie.
Jessie. And Alicia helped build? Yeah. Good job, man. I'm gonna go look at the back. Hey. So 4 of the amps like what you had, similar.
Yeah, it's just the little ones.
Okay.
The 3600.
Are these at, what are they, half ampere?
And a shout out to Frankie Rio.
Frankie? All right, Frankie. Thanks for the trade. The USB is popping.
See if that works. Yeah, I did my 2 runs and now everything's trying to act up.
Bass tears up everything.
That it does.
I would roll into it. Pretty beefy push right there. Really punchy, and it squeezes you, and it still has a low dose, so that's a good throw.
There's something just love.
You want to put the windows down this weekend? let's cool off. Man, really nice job. And you just finished it up? Not even downloading the port yet?
Nope. We're actually going to go in, rip out the front plate, and then redo the port
I just did a sentence.
Yeah, nice job. I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Jessie.
Jesse. And Alicia helped build? Good job, man. I appreciate the demo. Good job, man.